Hello and welcome to a short demonstration of a fun little app we have written to demonstrate what can be done with SAP Variant Configuration on iPad. We call this app the Cookie Monster because the purpose is to configure cookies. What you can see on the left-hand side are cookie ingredients. This is modeled in SAP as a single multi-valued characteristic, each value representing one ingredient. On the right-hand side, we see the cookie itself. We try to make it as life-size and as real as possible. You can select the size, you can see some of the nutritional facts, change quantity, see pricing, and then eventually submit a sales order for this cookie. This scenario comes from a customer in the food industry, which supplies customized cookies to some of the large supermarket chains. On the left-hand side, why don't we go ahead and select some of the ingredients. For example, almonds and chocolate chips. And as you can see, as we go through configuration, the visualization of the cookie is updated. It's relatively simple. We're using transparent two-dimensional images that are overlaid on top of each other to simulate how the cookie would look like with all these bits in. Selection of the size is done through a button on the right-hand side. In order to demonstrate an example inconsistency, why don't we select cocoa and chocolate chips together? For this, we have a rule set up in SAP which says those two components, those two ingredients, can't go together because supposedly that's too much chocolate, that's not good for your health. So why don't we go ahead and unselect one of them to resolve the conflict. At the bottom of the screen, let me draw your attention to the nutritional facts. These are calculated based on the ingredients selected, so they change. And also we have a slider bar that allows us to select how many cookies are in one packaging box. For example, we have configured a packaging of 48 cookies with all the appropriate information on the nutritional label, and we can now go ahead and submit it to SAP by clicking on the Order Now button. This concludes a very quick demonstration of the Cookie Monster configurator. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at the email address below. Thank you.